Hello, my name is Ariel. I want to tell you a small story. It is about small talk. I learn English with small talk. I use small words. I use simple words. I speak with people. I say hello. I say how are you? I ask how is your day? I smile. I wait. I listen. I speak again. I say nice to meet you. I say what is your name? I ask where are you from? I say I am from here. I say I am from that town. I say welcome. I say thank you. I say please. I say have a nice day. I say see you later. I say take care. I say good morning. I say good night. I say good job. I say well done. I say that's nice. I say me too. I say I like that. I say really. I say oh wow. I say that's cool. I say what about you? I ask do you like music? I ask do you work? I ask do you study? I ask what do you do? I ask where do you go? I ask do you like it? I say I like it too. I say I don't know. I say I think so. I say maybe. I say it's okay. I say that's fine. I say no problem. I say it's great. I say it's fun. I say I am happy. I say I am tired. I say I am good. I say I feel better. I say I feel okay. I say it's sunny. I say it's cold. I say it's hot today. I say the sky is blue. I say I like the weather. I say the food is good. I say I love tea. I say I drink coffee. I say I eat rice. I say I eat bread. I say I like pizza. I say I like ice cream. I say I don't eat meat. I say I cook food. I say I clean the room. I say I read books. I say I watch movies. I say I go shopping. I say I walk to the park. I say I run in the morning. I say I play music. I say I listen to songs. I say I sing sometimes. I say I dance at home. I say I write stories. I say I love to speak. I say I am learning English. I say I practice every day. I say small talk helps me. I say small words are big power. I say I try again. I say I don't give up. I say I want to learn. I say I want to talk. I say I want to speak more. I say I want to understand. I say small talk makes me happy. I say small talk is easy. I say I can do it. I say I am ready. I say let's talk. I say let's try. I say let's speak together. I say let's learn together. I say we can do it. I say you are not alone. I say English is fun. I say don't worry. I say speak slowly. I say speak again. I say speak with heart. I say speak with smile. I say practice more. I say practice daily. I say listen and repeat. I say repeat again. I say feel the words. I say love the words. I say live the words. I say thank you for small talk. I say thank you for listening. I say I believe in me. I say I believe in you. I say we speak now. I say this is my small talk. I say hi. I say hello again. I say long time no see. I say how have you been? I say what's new. I say everything is okay. I say I had a busy day. I say I feel relaxed now. I say I went to the market. I say I saw a movie. I say I met a friend. I say we talked a lot. I say we laughed. I say it was fun. I say I came home late. I say I made dinner. I say I cleaned the kitchen. I say I listened to music. I say I went to sleep. I say now I feel better. I say today is a new day. I say I will go outside. I say I will see people. I say I will use small talk. I say I will try. I say I will smile. I say I will start with hello. I say I will ask one question. I say I will listen. I say I will reply. I say I will say thank you. I say I will say have a nice day. I say I will not be afraid. I say I will not be shy. I say I will be kind. I say I will be friendly. I say I will be me. I say I will talk again. I say I will talk every day. I say I will say the same words. I say I will use new words too. I say I will grow. I say I will get better. I say small talk is my tool. I say small talk is my start. I say small talk is my way. I say it is easy. I say it is light. I say it is fun. I say it helps me learn. I say it helps me feel good. I say it helps me speak. I say it helps me connect. I say it helps me be brave. I say it helps me enjoy. I say hello to the shopkeeper. I say how are you? I say do you sell bread? I say thank you. I say goodbye. I say see you next time. I say hello to my neighbor. I say nice weather today. I say have a good walk. I say hello to a friend. I say how is your family? I say let's meet soon. I say hello to a stranger. I say I like your shirt. I say have a great day. I say hello to my teacher. I say thank you for your help. I say I enjoy the class. I say hello to a student. I say what are you learning? I say keep going. I say hello to myself. I say good job today. I say I did my best. I say I will try more. I say I am proud. I say I love English. I say I love small talk. I say it is simple. I say it is beautiful. I say it is powerful. I say it is my first step. I say I can do this. I say I can talk now. I say I can say one line. I say I can say 5 lines. I say I can speak a little. I say I will speak more. I say I can smile and talk. I say I can share. I say I can listen. I say I can connect. I say I can grow. I say I can be me. I say I am learning. I say I am doing it. I say I am moving forward. I say I am speaking more. I say I am understanding. I say I am using what I know. I say I am not perfect. I say I don't need to be perfect. I say I am learning step by step. I say I am strong. I say I am proud of my small talk. I say I love how it feels. I say I feel happy now. I say I feel brave now. I say I feel ready. I say I will keep doing this. I say I will never stop. I say I will use English daily. I say I will speak to more people. I say I will share my story. I say I will tell others to try. I say I will help them. I say I will support them. I say we are all learning. I say we can all grow. I say we can all speak. I say we can all smile. I say we can all enjoy English. I say small talk is enough. I say small talk is smart. I say small talk is strong. I say small talk is brave. I say small talk is me. I say this is my 75 words. I say this is my daily story. I say I use it again and again. I say I live with it. I say I learn with it. I say I love it. I say thank you for reading. I say thank you for listening. I say now it is your turn. I say try your own 75 words. I say make your own story. I say speak one line. I say speak 5 lines. I say start with hello. I say end with a smile. I say you can do it. I say you are ready. I say don't be afraid. I say just speak. I say speak with heart. I say speak with joy. I say speak with love. I say speak again. I say keep going. I say never stop. I say believe in your small talk. I say believe in yourself.